Hey there, we're interested to hear your take on the recent surge in Bitcoin. Last time I checked, it was hovering around $52,000, which is quite a jump from where it was before. It seems like it's on track to reach that $69,000 mark, doesn't it? The momentum behind Bitcoin's rise to $52,000 seems to be fueled by strong demand in the US. Even though there's been a slight dip today, many are speculating that $69,000 could be the next milestone. And you know what usually happens after Bitcoin hits its all-time highs? Altcoin season kicks in. It's like a ripple effect. As Bitcoin gains traction, people start looking at other assets to invest in, and some of them aren't as risky as they used to be compared to Bitcoin. Take Ethereum and Solana for example. They've really solidified their positions as major players in the crypto world. Ethereum's smart contract capabilities and Solana's high-speed transactions have earned them a spot in the big leagues. But what about Cardano? Charles Hoskinson, the founder, seems pretty confident that ADA is going to have a stellar year. He's talking about how this year is going to be their most productive yet, with every aspect of the project firing on all cylinders. It's bold, but hey, confidence is key. The recent report from Messari analyzing Cardano's performance in the fourth quarter of 2023 really caught my eye. The growth they've experienced is undeniable. Their TVL skyrocketed by over 166% quarter-over-quarter and nearly 700% year-over-year. That's impressive by any standards, and their ranking in terms of TVL has shot up from 34th to 11th since the beginning of 2023. That's some serious progress. Now let's not forget about Midnight, Cardano's privacy-focused sidechain. The specifications for it were just released, adding another layer of excitement to the project. In addition to that, the partnerships Cardano is actively cultivating are really promising. Charles mentioned a bunch of potential collaborations from VeChain to Ethereum and even some talks with the Polkadot ecosystem. The summit they had in Scotland sounded like it was buzzing with energy and ideas. Overall, there's a lot happening in the crypto space right now, and Cardano seems to be right in the thick of it. With their growth trajectory and ambitious plans for the future, it's definitely a project worth keeping an eye on. The Africa portfolio, led by the visionary John O'Connor, is hitting headlines with its incredible progress. Over the past 6 years, the team has been on a journey across the continent, soaking up invaluable lessons and experiences along the way. And now, their hard work is paying off as they roll out a suite of products aimed at making credit more accessible and affordable for everyone. It's a dream come true for many, including myself, who have long believed in the power of economic development. That's not all though. There's a major development on the tech front as well. The project's identity framework has just made the leap to Hyperledger, a move that's set to open up new possibilities for collaboration and innovation. Think of it like joining the big leagues alongside industry giants like IBM. The best part of this is, it's now open source, meaning more people can get their hands on it and start building cool stuff. Already, we're seeing pioneers in the field incorporating this technology into their apps, paving the way for a more decentralized future. And let's not forget about Reflect, our trusty partner in all of this. They've got some exciting stuff in the pipeline, from cross-chain interactions to gaming portfolios, plus the concept of digital twins is really taking off, as seen at the recent NFT XLV event, where the community came together to celebrate creativity and collaboration. Catalyst is also going strong. It's being integrated into the budgeting process for 2025, giving community members a chance to shape the future of the project. And, speaking of budgets, they're gearing up to create the 2025 Cardano budget, which will be fueled by a sovereign wealth fund approaching a cool $900 million. That's a lot of potential for growth and positive impact. Let's talk numbers for a sec. Key metrics for Cardano are really looking promising. Daily active addresses, transactions, stake, NFT trading volume, the app transactions, they are all on the upswing, showing that more and more people are getting involved in the Cardano ecosystem. Lastly, as cryptocurrencies continue to make waves in the world of finance, there's a bit of a knowledge gap among traditional finance leaders. While some are really getting into the nitty-gritty of how cryptocurrencies work, others are still playing catch-up. But for those who take the time to explore, the appeal of Bitcoin becomes crystal clear. Its decentralized nature and immutability make it a game changer, and it's only a matter of time before more people realize its potential. Think about investors like Paul Tudor Jones, Stanley Druckenmiller, or Larry Fink. Just a couple of years back, they might have been skeptics when it came to Bitcoin, but as they took the time to understand it better, their perspectives shifted. Now, we've got Larry Fink even giving the green light for Bitcoin ETFs. It's a reminder that knowledge can change everything in the financial realm. Now, let's talk about Wall Street executives and their opinions on Bitcoin. When we hear them railing against it, it raises an important question. How much homework have they really done? Cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, is complex, and many investors globally are still trying to wrap their heads around it. We're not just talking about understanding Bitcoin itself, but also grasping the broader innovation and revolution that's unfolding right before our eyes. Imagine this. Every stock, bond, currency, commodity, artwork, bottle of fine wine, collectible car, piece of real estate, private business, you name it, it's all eventually becoming a token on a blockchain. It might have sounded like science fiction a while back, but now it's becoming a reality. And guess what? You folks out there, you're the living proof of this monumental shift. The influx of talent in the crypto space further underscores this point. More and more individuals are recognizing the potential of blockchain technology to reshape the very fabric of our society and economy. It's not just a revolution, it's an evolution, a fundamental shift in how we perceive and interact with value in this age. The financial landscapes are constantly evolving. It's fascinating to see how Bitcoin's surge to new highs is sparking curiosity and debate among investors. From seasoned veterans like Paul Tudor Jones to newcomers on the scene, understanding the intricacies of cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly vital. Because now it's not just about chasing profits, it's about grasping the potential for real change that Bitcoin and blockchain technology represent. Projects like Cardano and the Africa portfolio are shining examples of this potential. Led by visionary leaders like Charles Hoskinson and John O'Connor, they're not just about making money. They're about empowering individuals and communities. It's a reminder that behind the charts and numbers are real people with real dreams working tirelessly to make a difference in the world. As we navigate this ever-changing landscape, one thing is clear. The future of finance is being shaped by those who dare to dream big and embrace innovation. Whether it's through investing in Bitcoin, supporting projects like Cardano, or simply staying informed about the latest developments, each of us has a role to play in shaping this exciting new era of finance. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, we'll catch you tomorrow with more insights and updates. Stay curious and keep exploring. Oh, before I forget, make sure to like this video and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.